I want to show you this fantastic product, Fabulift Fabulous Eye Serum. It's perfect for lifting, tightening and brightening your eye area. Not only does it give you that magical wow factor, but it goes to work almost instantly and you'll notice a difference in just seconds. Individual results will vary. Also, you've got some amazing key ingredients in here as well. It's a unique formulation of a tinted serum, and you've got hyaluronic acid, which holds 1,000 times its weight in water. This will lock in your moisture, which will plump your skin to improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles. You've got your peptides of agiline and sinac, which will target and soften your expression lines. 94% of participants said the instant effects of Fabulift was still visible 10 hours after application. So perfect for a day at work, and hopefully we can start going out more, so for a wedding or a party too. Eyes are one of the first things that people notice about you, aren't they? They're the windows to your soul. And especially these days when we're wearing a lot of face coverings. You can now have the confidence of reduced eye bags, so no more puffiness, and a brighter eye area, so your eyes can now sparkle. It's really easy to apply, it's not scary, you can do it from the comfort of your own home, and it's nothing that you can't reverse. It's a temporary enhancement whilst the product's on, and at the end of the day, simply wipe it off and you're back to normal. But it does have those key ingredients in there as well. All we need is dry, clean skin, so nothing underneath, no moisturiser at all. And all you need is a very, very tiny amount. Just the size of a grain of rice, so not much at all. Then you want to smooth it over your problem areas. You can dab or just use gentle strokes and go outwards and upwards in the direction that you want your skin to be lifted. Start on your under eye, go under your crow's feet, over your eyelid, right up to your eyebrow, above your eyebrows and up to your 11s. When you've applied it to all of your problem areas, and you're happy with the application, you need to remain expressionless whilst it dries for that full effect. Now you might feel a tightening or a tingling sensation, and that's absolutely fine. It means it's working. And that should take around 3 minutes, although it can take up to 15 minutes to take the full effect. And when it's dried, you can even pop makeup over the top if you wanted to, as long as it's oil-free. In that time, you'll start to see the difference already as you've got those 2 instant peptides going straight to work. And it does have that added tint, which helps to brighten the appearance of the skin tone and to take away those dark circles. Now, don't worry that the tint's going to be too light or too dark for your skin, because this is a one shade fits all and it cleverly adapts to your skin tone. In one eye tube, you've got 150 sets of eyes. That's 300 individual eye applications. And these ingredients are buzzwords in the beauty industry. The results are phenomenal. You are literally turning back the clock to knock 10 to 15 years off of the way you look. It'll give you that confidence. It's non-invasive, and you also have these key ingredients which are being kind and nourishing to your skin for those long-term benefits. And you have the instant look, where you look fabulous and you feel fabulous day in and day out.